Gabriel, Patrick, KP for the rebound. KP, pumukol sa tres. In and out. Enzo. Enzo trying for three. Give it back three. I give it back right away. 3-0. Ang next score. KP 3. They're trying to find their range. Medyo Florida is wala. Inside pass. Oh, kanino ang bola? Hey, kick ball, other side ball. Salan on the move to De La Rhea. Inside to Salan, faking, in the glass. 2 points. 2-3. Gabriel, huli ka. Hey, good defense. Salan, faking. There's a traveling violation. Kirby, spins. Oh! Other side ball. Takahashi on the move to De La Rhea. Inside pass to Salan. What a pass by De La Rhea. 4-3. What a look coming from De La Rhea. Inside pass. Creates a foul. Blocking foul. Baseline ball. Medyo Florida. Bounce pass to Enzo. Enzo faking. Denied by KR. Kirby. Foul. Basket. What a play by Kirby. No good. Ball B. Wala. Kirby once again. To Peña Florida. Finds Kirby. Inside to Felicita. Wala. Inside to Kirby. Faking. Pull up. Warren is there. 2 points. 7-4. What a ball movement. Takahashi. Benavides faking. In the video. No good. KR. Bumaba. Inside. And 1. 6-7. Ball shot. No good. Peña Florida setting up the play on the right side. On the middle, saw the opening for three. No good. Ball B. Spins. Good defense by Enzo. KR. Crossover. Using his body. Pass to Takahashi. No good. Number 18 to the right side to Kirby faking. Inside pass. Jumps, wala. Ball B, dire-diretso. Ball B inside to the right side. De La Rhea, 2 points. 8-7, denied by KR. To Ball B, inside. 2 points. 10-7. Takahashi to Ball B to Takahashi, foul. Pag na-shoot, change court ha. Here, good! Yan. Maganda yung mga ganyan. Kirby inside to Peña Florida. Peña Florida. No good. Tapikan. Peña Florida. Inside. In and out. Takahashi on the move. Takahashi, anong gagawin mo? No move. Kusel ball. Takahashi. Foul. 2 free throws para kay Takahashi. Unang pukol, wala. Yun o. Enzo. Galinzoga on the move. Dalawang defender nagpapantayan. Kyle. Goodkey. De La Rhea on the move. Dropping to Devin Booker. For 3. Yes, sir. 3. Change score. 2 points. 2 points. 12-7. What a quick pull-up coming from De La Rhea. 12-7. Felicida. On the move. Stolen. Salan. Faking. Creates another one. What a smart play coming from Salan. He knows. 14-7. Last 2 minutes and 40 seconds in the game. Peña Florida on the move. Finding the open man to Kirby. Kirby inside creates a foul. 2 free throws para kay Kirby. Last 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Yes, sir. 14-8. Depensa kayo, depensa. Para makahabol. Oy! Another opportunity inside. Binomba. Oy! Slips. Last 2 minutes in the game. Salaan ko Takahashi. Diskarte. Tira ka naman, Nobu. Backward violation. Score natin, 14-8. Peña Florida for 3. No good, Tapikan. Paul B on the rebound. Ace! Galinzoga to Kirby. Kirby on the right side. 1 dribble pull up. Connects. 3. 11-14. Tatlo lang yan, ha? Depensa kayo. Tatlo lang yan. Takahashi. Takahashi. Inside pass. Ang ganda pasa. De La Rhea. Kumabrik. KR. Foul on the hands. What a ball movement. Finding the open man. Last 47 seconds. Another one. Last throw. 14-11. Kailangan makashoot kayo. Depensa. Tatlo lang yan, ha? Enzo, faking. Salan on the move. Finding open man. No, I take it. 16-11. 3. No good. Last 20 seconds. De La Rhea pull up. No good. Paul B. Faking inside to KR. Natapikan. Last 5 seconds. Foul. And 1. 13-16. 13-16. 1 second left. Wala na. All that's na. Okay, game boy.